Coding versus programming. That's the same thing, right? Actually, not quite. If you've been following this channel, you've probably heard me say both and even sometimes interchangeably. But there is a difference, and knowing the difference can help you level up way faster. By the way, my name is Fumilayo, and in this video, I will be breaking down the difference between coding and programming. So you might be wondering, what is coding? Coding is a process of writing instructions in programming language like Python, JavaScript, or Java, so a computer can execute them. It's focused on translating logic into syntax. Think of it as the typing part, turning ideas into actual code. And now you're wondering, isn't that the same as programming? No, not quite. Programming is broader. It includes coding, but it also includes problem solving, designing algorithms, structuring the code base, debugging, testing, thinking about how everything fits together. A programmer spends time planning the logic and flow before even writing a single line of code. So in short, coding is a subset of programming. All coders write code, but not all coding means you're doing full-fledged programming. So what does that actually look like in the real world? Let me give you 3 examples that would help you differentiate between a coder and a programmer. The first example, the copy-paste coder. Imagine someone finds a code snippet or on Stack Overflow, or even now with AI, and then paste it into their project. It works? That is coding. They did not plan the logic, they did not understand how it works, they just made it run. But a programmer, on the other hand, they understand the why, they think of how everything fits into each other and how to adapt it to their exact needs. But okay, let me give you another example. Imagine you're building a login system. A coder might build the form and connect it to a database, but a programmer goes deeper. It thinks about security, it thinks about forget password flows, session management, and may even think about how to handle brute force attack. They are designing the logic behind the scene, not just writing code. And then my third example is not the favorite of most programmers or coders: fixing bugs. A coder is someone who spots a typo or a missing semicolon and just fix it immediately. But a programmer is going why the bug happened, writing tests to prevent it from happening again, and maybe even refactoring the code to make it more reliable long term. So yeah, coding is important, but programming, that is what turns code into actual solution. So now, why does this even matter to you? Because if you're just starting out, or even if you've just been learning for a while, it is easy to focus on only writing the codes that work. But writing the code is just the beginning. The real growth happens when you start thinking like a programmer. And don't worry, it just doesn't happen at once. Step by step, you keep building on these skills. When you stop to just ask, how do I write this? And you start asking, what problem am I solving? What is the best way to solve it? And what could possibly go wrong? If you've been following the 100 days of Python programming on this channel, you see that on most days, on most videos, I usually tell you to predict, especially when you're getting information, when you're getting inputs from the user, to predict that what could happen. What would happen when my user doesn't follow the instruction? I do not want my process to break. Programming tutorial, we always use try and accept, just in case. That is thinking like a programmer, the just in case. Rather than just copying and pasting, we're building real solution. Just in case my user types in the wrong information, just in case they upload the wrong data. I do not want the whole system to break. I want it to still work, but then showing a message to my user that this is what they should do. So quick recap. Coding is writing instruction that a computer can follow. It's about syntax, it's about getting things to work. But programming is the bigger picture, solving problems, planning, testing, and building systems that someone would actually find useful. If you want to grow as a developer, Don't stop at just writing code. Don't stop when your code runs and then you're happy and then you just close that chapter. Start thinking as a programmer. Sit back and look at the bigger picture and start thinking like a programmer today. If this helped you clear up a lot of things, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and let me know in your comment section. Have you ever thought about the difference between coding and programming? And which are you? Are you just a copy-paste program?